Okay, we're heading out. Heading out on our first Zodiac here today, going over the land. Gonna see some soy sauce, maybe have some soy sauce ice cream. Wake everybody away. Right to the ship in back of us here. There it goes. Alright, I better rig up here. Okay, we're coming into our landing up here. Zodiac slowing down. Doing good here. Doing good. We got all our intrepid travelers on board here too. They're waiting to dock here. I can see them all waiting over there. Alright. So we got a little climb up the stairs. Just climbed up those. And we gotta go up here to get to the gondolas here. Alright. So this is the ropeway, and we gotta walk up more steps to get up to the top there, I think. After we go inside here, get our tickets. Gondola here. Here we go.
本日は関下系ロープウェイをご利用いただきまして誠にありがとうございます。関下系発祥まで4分50秒でございます。4 minutes and 50 seconds.
Get a little reflection on the glass here, but I can't help it. Side there. 標高817メートルで関下系の東側に連なり南北朝時代のお城の跡がございます。That is pretty. Oh, we are going to go over a gorge here. Wow.
Starting to turn yellow.
Yeah, we're looking down there.
Aren't you glad you're not hiking?
Yes. Yes. Oh, you got a little airflow here.
I like to hike. Keeps humidity out.
Wow.
Not a lizard.
So we're all going up here. We got a whole thing full of people back there. So going up on the gondola here. You can still subscribe too. All right.
On the way up?
Yeah.
Now they figure it out, huh?
Yeah.
Slowing down.
お降りの際少々揺れますのでご注意ください。
Look at the hydrangeas.
どうもありがとうございました。
It's beautiful to live. So that means it's acid. Basic. Basic. Yes. Not only this, it's because of the public, everybody. And the shade goes up.
And down there is from whence we came. We came all the way up. You can see the other one going down there. And down into the fog there. Alright. Let's move on here. So this is the ropeway platform we just came up on here. Got a little snack shop there. We're waiting for the other group to come up on the other gondola. We'll go look at some of the signs they have here. We got a 10% off coupon to go in here. Let's see what they got in the vending machines over here. You got ice cream here, some kind of thing. You get yourself a burger and fries. Got a menu here, and I guess you can buy the tickets and then go inside and pick up what you want there, I guess. The little toys here you can get. Here's the ones with the gondola there. Yeah, there you go. And you got these here. And some squids and different things here. Walking down to the viewpoint here. Yeah, that's where everybody's at. Maybe it's very hazy. You can hardly see anything. It's a cloudy, overcast day, so you're not going to see any great vistas or anything. But this is the way it is. You can't control the weather. But if you could, looks like they got a little diagram here of what you would normally see. So we'll see what this says here. Yeah, this is what you would normally see down there. if you could see. Well, we can see some of it down there. Yeah. All right. We're going to walk over here. Check out the view here. And we got some concrete that looks like wood here. Very nice. But there's down there. There's our ship. Our ship is out there. I don't know if you can see it in the haze. But the Resolution is out there. And we started, I think, down there. I think, or somewhere down there. Down that way. But, yeah, here it is. The old vista here. So, this is yours truly. I'm at the top of the vista here. So, made it up to the top. It's out here. The ship is out there. And not real crowded or anything here. And it's not super hot either. So, it's pretty good here. All right. Bond farewell to our lookout point here. Going to head back up the path. Up here, a nice little path. They got all this fake wood here. Oh, this looks like real wood, but maybe not. It's done very well. I don't think this is real. That was like kind of a concrete wood, but keep it strong. Oh, we got a plaque over here. I wonder what this says here. Let's go investigate this. Something here all etched out here. I don't know, but it's all in Japanese, so you can translate that later and see. Something 1899, I see that on there. And it's all carved in here, but it's all, how you could read these characters here. You have to wet this down with a hose to read it, but somebody had to carve all that stuff out. Very difficult to read. Well, we got something here. It's going to cost 100 yen. And it looks like they're sitting on the good luck bench here. So somewhere out here there's a good luck bench and you get your picture taken, I guess, for 100 yen. I don't know. There's some school kids. They got the same girls there as they are here. And it's the same picture in every one here. You got your Instagram here. You got the frame there. I didn't see the frame out here where that is. But you got the kids looking in that. Another Instagram. And you got some mugs here that you can do. I don't know what that is, where that is there. Okay. There's some famous guy. I don't know, he's got an old suitcase. He's getting on the tram there or whatever. That looks like a train. That doesn't look like the gondola. And you got your times up there. You got the little monkey up there. And you got your frame here if you want to have your picture with the frame. I don't know, all these people holding up the frame here. It's the frame, free rental. Hey, there you go. It says free rental there. All right, for Instagram. I didn't know about that, but too late now. It's a little hazy, and you got chalk there. I guess you want to write something on there. Yeah, oh, you got the stamps here too. And here's the station, the monkey telling you here. The Kankakei Ropeway down there, and he's telling you it's right over that way. All right, right inside there. But we'll see this other sign up here. We're going to come up here, take a look. I guess there's other trails up here you can hike around if you want, but not too hot because not too much sun, no breeze, a very slight breeze, very slight. So we got this. And that tells you all around. There's the ropeway that we took there. Get up to the top and there's trails. You could take the walk back down. I wouldn't mind walking back down. I just didn't want to walk up. And there's different things you can see, I guess, on the way up there. But yeah. All right, there's a little deer down there you might see maybe. I don't know. Restaurant, Deer Rock, Flag Mountain, Cave. Giant Turtle Rock. Yeah, it'd be a nice walk. I wouldn't mind going down there, but we gotta take the bus going down. Hey. We're still coming down the hill on the bus this time. There you go. It's still hazy out there, but anyhow, sun's trying to come out, but not too much there. So.